Hello guys, so today I'm going to be making a game here. So I'm going to be using obviously the instrument I've been always using, but today I'm going to be using a joystick as well. So here is my joystick over here. So let's open it. Yeah, we open this guy. It's a very nice one. It's a very nice component here. So you are able to. So now we're able to make a game. So let's start. So I wanna put it like this at the center as well. Okay, so it's now placed at the center, and then here are our cables. So I'm going to be connecting all of them so that we use them. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, so there are 5 as follows. And after connecting these 5 cables, I'm going to be connecting how many LEDs? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 LEDs. Unfortunately, I'm going to repeat a single color. So here is the green LED. So which side should I put the LEDs? Let me put this side. So here is the green LED. So I put ground and pin. And then the red LED, I also do the same thing. Now let me go yellow. And then let me go for red. And lastly, I'm going to repeat green. I wanted to use a blue LED, but unfortunately, I don't have blue LEDs at the moment. So here is the setup. And let's put the resistors. So each resistor with each. So I put a resistor here, and I put it into the first pin. And then I put a resistor here. Put it into this pin. And then I put a resistor here. And lastly, we put another resistor. So a resistor here. So like this. 4 resistors fixed. Let me just put this one nicely. So here are our 4 resistors and 4 LEDs. And at this point, we are done. So let's grab many of our cables. And we're going to move from this cable to somewhere. And we're going to move from... Okay, I don't want this cable. And we're going to move from this cable to somewhere. We are also going to move from another cable to somewhere. Okay, so we're also going to move from this cable to somewhere. We are going to move from this cable to somewhere. And we are going to move from this cable to somewhere. So here are my cabling. So now the Uno. So for the Uno, let me start with the analogs. So the first green is to be connected to pin number 2. 0, 1, 2. The next one is going to be connected to number 3, 4. Up to pin number 5, and then obviously our ground is going to be connected to ground, and then on the joystick We have the far one as the ground. So this is the ground. Then after ground we have 5 volts. After ground we have 5 volts. Ground. And then after that we have VRX, and VRX is A0. VRX is A0. And lastly VRY, I think. VRY to A1. A1. And SW to pin number 8. This is to pin number 8. So we've made our circuit is working. So let's now test our circuit, see if it is going to work, and then we call it a day. Coding. Okay, so here is our joystick, right? So I wanna test the system for you. So look at the LEDs. You see? Do you see? Thank you. This is it.